best of any 7 years trained, never press my luck. Charts speak truth when the margins flood. This ain't a gamble, this is calculated blood. 5 to a milli, watch the compound climb. Every possession, action, no waste of time. Seal the trade, catches off precise. Risk management tight, profits rolling twice. You see speculation, I see pattern recognition. Read the order flow, that's my ammunition. NQ leverage heavy when the set is clean. But the first commandment, capital stays lean. Stop loss position where the structure breaks. Every entry calculated, no more mistakes. While they chase emotions, I'm the second tape. Trading like I'm waiting, measuring the take. Temperature cold when I'm sizing the play. Numbers don't lie, let the indicator say. Been in these trenches since 2017. Watch 1,000 blow accounts chasing the dream.
Yo, fellow traders, I'm back with another stream here. Let's see if we can get something going here. We unfortunately missed the downside move here. We didn't was patient enough to get this move, but now I'm still back and I see maybe we can manage some stuff here. Zcash would be in profit. A few minutes ago I opened another Zcash position here. I think we could go at least a bit lower here. We will see here. My position is not that big, but let's see. Yeah, you caught the hype short pretty nice. And nice to see you here again. So we were a bit impatient here, unfortunately. Our TA was on point, I feel like. We just missed only the move to the downside. But it doesn't matter, we didn't lose any money at all. We only didn't bank on this move here. So it's okay. We are still in the game. So everything looks good here. I try a small short here on Zcash. All the other coins, kinda nice to see you too. So nice. Nice that you turned in. Do you got my notification on Telegram? Oh, it sent 2 times. Why it sent 2 times? But should got it probably. I think it's working now. Took it out straight. Yeah, nice. Nice move here. So let me see what's going on here on Hype. Peer-to-peer taking so long though. 48 minutes. What do you mean with peer-to-peer? Like this, like kind of this stuff. Yeah. Can take a long time probably, but shouldn't be take so long. So it's more like instant, I feel like. Just $50. $50, nice. Better than 0. Whoa, Hype is also rejecting nicely. I also want to open here a small Hype position. Let's see if we can catch something here or there. Yeah. Let's see if we can catch a small move here. Unfortunately, we didn't made money on the big move here. Let me still here, yeah. Why is Something's lagging? No. 38.5. Yeah, but still good. Would be good here if you can catch the downside here. I put this on. Ah, yeah, it's like the move from yesterday. Would be still okay if you can catch this move here. I would take it. I would still take it. We just need to look for the cash here. Probably my short will not work out here properly. I could have hold it here, but just closed it here at these levels. We will see. $70-$80. No, not that much. So if I can catch this Zcash, it would be $13, which would be good. And hype will be, I think, less, about 10 something. Oh, $5 here, yeah. $5 here at 39. That's okay. It should be possible to go down 4% here, or 3.5%. Depends all on Bitcoin here. So yeah, I saw this rejection here on Bitcoin. I was a bit impatient here, just needed to wait. But I have a meeting outside, so I couldn't wait longer, so it's okay. We just missed it, but our TA was on point here. We completely rejected here first time, second time on VWAP, and nice sell off to the downside. We could bank easily on this, so we were right the whole time, but I didn't bank on it. We will see. Let's see, maybe we can get another short here. Depends how it reacts to these levels here, but it looks good. Market looks so weak today, so I expect more downside or more sideways. Both can be, but definitely we need to be patient today because it's Saturday and the markets are so slow here. But nice that you made some profits on hype. So you tried to long somewhere here, I think, and then you closed probably and switched to short, yeah? Let me check hype first. So yeah, I closed nearly on the top my short. Yeah, sure, you're right. I closed here my short and then instant dumped. Next try to retrace here, perfect test of these levels, and then completely rejected. So we will see how this plays out. At least it looks like hype is going more down here. Zcash is holding pretty strong, which I haven't expected so far. Only a few dollars, but we will see. Maybe we can get a nicer move to the downside here. Looks not that bad at all, I will say. But nice that you caught a good move here. We will try our best to make some money here in the... And what time zone? Yeah, it's late already for me, but I will not stream that long for the evening session here. Maybe 2 hours or something. Just maybe to catch something on the charts here. But I need to get used to streaming if I want to grow this streaming. So every stream is kind of a practice for me. So it's good. And maybe we can make some money today. TikTok and Reels, yeah. You're right. I will do some stuff next day if I make a good trade here and there. I will make a short out of it.
trades.
Is TikTok still a thing at the moment? Or is Instagram better? I feel like younger generations only using TikTok, yeah? Most of the time, probably. Maybe it will be better if I use some... They use both. Yeah, well, I will try. Make some TikToks here and there, some shorts. So I'm going here. Let's go viral easier. Yeah. I think trading videos cannot, or trading shorts cannot go that viral, but just a few more people. If I can reach a few more people, should be fine. They will trust what they will trust. You posted shit TikTok and got 20 million views. What? This is a lot. You made like AI videos, or like, trust me, will go viral. I will try and make some good trades here and there, and then make a TikTok out of it. Should be fine. Fighting? What are you fighting? Professionally fight, MMA. Okay, sounds nice. But you're still so young. Are you already fighting? But I think this is what people interests more than candlesticks or charts. I feel like it's a bit boring. I don't know where you're from. If you're a fighter, maybe, I don't know, Dagestan, Kyrgyzstan. They are like the fighters' home, you know. Turkish, Turkmenistan, could be, nope. Turkish, what? I don't know all the countries in this area. Bigger history, bigger country. Because there are a lot of small countries, I don't know all of them. Kazakhstan, maybe. Uzbekistan. I know Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. I haven't been there before, but I heard only good things from the country. Should be beautiful. Wow, this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. I think it will help a lot. It will help a lot to make your body strong and clear your mind. I feel like this is a nice stuff to do. Only one thing that I don't like that much is that look of that ears, you know, the typical MMA fighting ears. This is like, looks a bit strange, I feel like, but otherwise Fighting is a good thing.
Locked in on the ORB play. Open range breakout. Candles go wild, long or short. I move with style. Stop loss tight, wrist real small. Protect
Yeah, that wrestling ears. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
but I'm cool in the heat. Money in my lane. Success is no luck. I study, I grind.
Yeah.
Every tick matters. I'm sharp with my mind from red to green. I'm never afraid. I don't
That's
chase,
funny.
I seal the trade. Earn it while they sleep in GG when I'm winning. Charts don't lie. I make money when it's spinning. Earn, grow, never fake. This is seal the trade.
That guy has still not paid me.
Breaking the range, liquidity.
Are you trying to sell on Binance?
Spike long that dip.
This is, you can maybe message him again. I don't know how it's working on Binance. I don't know the completely workflow on Binance, but I did this before on Bybit, so I think it's nearly the same. Please wait.
Patience pays, I don't rush the grade. Timing's everything. That's how I seal the trade. Success is no luck. I study, I grind. Every tick matters. I'm sharp with my mind from red to green. I'm never afraid. I don't chase, I seal the trade.
Don't know how long you wait. Normally it's like an instant transfer. But don't get scammed here. You need to really be careful. So don't unlock that funds before he gave you the money. Yeah, normally it's really 5 minutes or something. Yeah, it's not much time normally. But yeah. And if it's not working, you can probably write to the Binance support or reject that request or reject that offer. Is also possible, maybe. He said, whenever you get it, please release the funds. What means whenever? So how long do you should wait? I don't know. It's kind of scammy. So do not release it if you didn't got the payments. This is like, otherwise you get scammed. Normally there are less scammers on Binance, and at the peer-to-peer stuff, normally it's kind of safe to do. But I also had some long waiting times from about 1-2 hours because of the same stuff like what you're talking at the moment. So I don't know completely the workflow on Binance. It can't be scammers because their ID and everything is there. Yeah. Normally not, but people can also scam with ID and stuff, you know. So better don't send them money, because just wait and till everything is on your account, so you can release it afterwards. Just give in maybe a few minutes and try to message him again, maybe. I think there are also some sales what you can see from this specific person, so you can check stuff like that. And if he's not paying, then you can also contact Binance probably. So I'm here in a low position here. Wow, 480. It's so crazy compared to yesterday. Yesterday I traded this Zcash at about $700. Now we are down to 400, 500. It's such a crazy thing here. Amazing, really amazing. Hype is doing good here. We are losing levels on Hype. It's nice short here that I took. Yeah, imagine a short from 700. Unfortunately, I wasn't woke up, so I wasn't awake, so it was completely midnight for me, so I couldn't trade it. I haven't traded it, but I was still happy yesterday because I caught a nice up move from Zcash, so just closed my trades, took some time off and rest, so it was pretty okay. I will wait for the long. Yeah, probably it's a bit short here, a bit late here to short. It depends. We can still go down here to $39, and if you enter here, I wouldn't recommend it because the risk reward is not on point. It's creating a W. Here, you mean here? Can be. W is like a trend reversal formation, so this means we could see a more upside potential here. Double bottom formation or W formation, however you call it. Typical reversal formation. Yeah, can be. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking nearly the same, like hype. Same kind of formation. Where's the downside on Bitcoin? My camera's not working. Still not working. Need to really. Oh moment, I will reboot my camera. Yep. Should be working now. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. If Bitcoin is losing this level. Here's not much at all, if you look at this. And we only see this level here on 100k on the downside, which would be really amazing, not gonna lie, if we go that low. Wow. Okay, we will wait and see. Looks nice here. Take some electricity here. So yeah, and play. But slow as fuck. Yeah, really. The whole day is slow as fuck. But it's typical for a Saturday, so I'm not expecting anything different here. Market is still trying to push lower here. So there's definitely sell-off going on. Have a small look here. Wow, Solano is also down. Oh wow. That's my ammunition. NQ leverage heavy when the set is clean. But the first commandment, capital stays lean. Stop loss position where the structure breaks. Every entry calculated, no room for mistakes. While they chase emotions, I'm the second tape. Trading like I'm waiting. Looks good. It looks good if Bitcoin goes lower. Zcash and Hype will follow probably. No, it's pushing higher here. Okay, we will see. I only want a small part of the cake here, so I'm only here for 3.5%. It's okay, should be working.
Rest the mission fade me, plain and low display. That and knock I'm fishing like inside my head. So you straight. Rest the mission fade me, plain and low display. With that and knock I'm fishing like inside my head. So you straight.
Zcash is also going more down. I think I got this. I think we can get some money here for today. At least. $41,265. Keep closing a bit early. It's okay. Keep closing a bit early, you know, because
Question
we also
about warfare.
failed a bit here with closing our trade, but it's okay. So where did you close? Let me first check. I got it finally. But you're still out, yeah? How long did you short? From 41 point somewhere here? You took this short here. Let me just open the chat. $41,265 and close at 40.35. 40.35. Wow, this was like nearly nailed the bottom here. Pretty good here. Pretty nice move to the downside here. Pretty strong move from 41,265. Nice catch. So you entered after this candle or before? So maybe after, yeah. So somewhere here. So it's a pretty good trade here because you are entered here, took some profits down here. Just pretty nice. Good trade, good risk management, and yeah, looks good. Well played, well played. You saw a reversal, yeah, sure. Nice reversal here, nice retest here on this level, and we made a lower high here compared to this here. This is a higher high, and we made a lower high. Then we saw some sell-offs here. Tuck, take the short, drive it down. Nice short, closed. Boom. Nice, our Zcash is coming down as well. Yes, yes. At least you got some. It's been 1 hour, 20 minutes. Yeah. It took a long time. The market is really slow. Look at Zcash, kinda going down now. Maybe I can get this 481. Would be really beautiful. Maybe we can get more. Yeah. So I wasted about $20 here in this move because I was short here and closed here to shop, get something and be back. Yeah, fine. Take your time, enjoy your Saturday, and I will be still here in a few minutes. I will be streaming maybe 1 hour more or 2 hour more, something. So it's fine. Take your time, yeah. Enjoy.
Watching price action, will you break the zone? Is this the move or a trap I'm shown? This level feels much higher. Oh.
So yes, we are making it, guys. We're on a run here. We are sitting here at the moment at 100, close to 130 USD, and we started with $5 about 3 weeks ago, something. We made it up till 130. Now I'm sitting here in two shorts. The market conditions are worse and worse every day, and I feel like shorting is now the only thing that you have to do now. I hope everything is clear, guys. I see a lot of people are watching, but they didn't follow me. I would really appreciate it if you leave me a follow so I can stream more often for you guys, and I feel like it's a fair deal because it's a win-win situation. I can be streaming more for you guys, and can also, if you have some questions about trading or crypto, feel free to ask. I'm always happy to answer your questions. And yeah, at the moment market looks really shitty, like dog shit. Market is going completely down, so I'm trying to anticipate on the short side of the market and trying to catch some bearish momentums here and there. Yeah, that's it at the moment. So I'm already up $3 here. I want to write it down here, especially Zcash will bring me a good amount of money here in returns. Hype is not that of a big position, but Hype is losing levels here, so I'm going to write it down to 39 something. We will see. Looks not that bad at all here, so you will see. We try to make it. I just keep it slow here at the moment. I'm not highly leveraged, guys, so I think it's pretty okay.
Wake up early, charts alive, prices moving, time to dive. Futures pumping, screen so bright, I hump my setup, strike on sight. Candles forming, clean and bold. I don't chase, I wait, I hold. Discipline, that's my blade. Every move calculated. Click the mouse, the line gets crossed. Risk defined, I know the cost. No emotion, just a plan. One good trade, that's who I am. Seal the trade, precision and pace. Eyes on NASDAQ, I'm locked in place. Entry sharp like a seal on prey. Robbing pips all day, the seal don't play. Seal the trade, no fear, no doubt. Catch that move when it breaks out. I leave on screen, I show the way. Just me and the charts, seal the trades.
I hope my game plan is clear why I want to enter here and there, and I think we make some good efforts here and there on the account balance and also on entertainment purposes. I think we're doing good here. Guys, if you didn't follow me yet, if you have also some questions about trading, about crypto, I'm in this crypto market since 2017, so I know a lot of things related to crypto and financial markets. You can always ask me in the chat. I'm always happy if I can ask you questions, and yeah, that's it so far. We're really trying to grind this market lower here. It's still looking good, and yeah, this is how I want to play it and how it looks like it's working here for the moment. Let me check some Zcash here. Zcash is kinda trying to hold here, not gonna lie. We need to wait and see what's happening. I always set up my stop losses and take profit dynamically. So this means if I see the market is grinding lower with momentum, I'm also putting my take profit lower in this case to make the most of that move. I think it makes sense, yeah. Just to see why I always put my stop losses and take profits, why I draw it always down, so it's not like level based here. I can base it on levels, but I'm more like a price action trader. This means if the market is going down with momentum, I'm trying to catch that whole move. And if I see some kind of a rejection, I will close it and make in this way more money than I put it directly on some levels. This is the case why I'm trying it in this way. Yeah guys, this is how it looks at the moment. I only have 2 positions on. Unfortunately, I had a meeting before, so I couldn't hold my short positions from higher. Would be really juicy, not gonna lie. But it's fine. We're trying now to make some money on the markets. I'm trying to ride it to the downside here, guys. I will try to set up something here. I think I can. Yeah guys, at the moment we're just slowly grinding lower here. The next stop will definitely be this low. We need to go through this low to have more potential to the downside here. At the moment it looks like yeah, more like a sideways phase with it tends to go lower here maybe, but there's not much movement at all. So we will wait and see how this market is developing at the moment. So it's hard to trade for today, but we're still trying to make some money. So hype is dumping here. I think we can go to this zone here. This is where I placed actually my take profit here. Probably can go also down to this level here. I will put it like always, like dynamically, so it's still fine. If you have some questions about trading, guys, just ask. Just ask.
One candle, two boom, breaking the range, liquidity grab, now we're back in the game. Short that spike, long that dip. I ride these waves like a championship ship. Emotionless moves, this ain't a game. I trade the edge, they chase the fame. Check the P&L, yeah, we just ate another W. That's checkmate. You got stopped out, reset, learn. No revenge, just wait your turn. Patience pays, I don't rush the grade. Timing's everything, that's how I seal the trade. Success is no luck, I study, I grind. Every tick matters, I'm sharp with my mind. From red to green, I'm never afraid. I don't chase, I see. GG when I'm winning. Charts don't lie, make money when it's spinning. Earn, grow, never fake. This is seal the trade. Long, short, doesn't matter. We trade the truth. O or B certified. Seal the trade, every day is a payday.
Zcash is trying to push higher. Let's have a small look here on Bitcoin, what's going on here. We're kind of holding this range, but it's not that completely safe that we are holding this range, because we have like not a typical VW formation here on the charts. It's more look like we will reject more to the downside here. Yeah, that's it. Maybe we can reject. If we reject here, we're going more to the downside. Could be possible. This is how I want to see this and how that's possible at the moment. It's not 100% safe, but we will see how this develops. Guys, you're always looking here in my chat, but I feel like you're not following, so please leave me a follow. It will help my channel a lot.
They speak in code, but I've learned to read the flow. Wait for breaks, respect the line. No emotions, I'm alive. Markets on fire, trend climbing high. Seals in the booth, hearts alive wide. Selecting and move like a seal on prey. Streaming in live, seal the trade all day.
Okay, we see Zcash is kind of pushing higher here at the moment. We're on a really interesting level here on Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is trying to push higher. We need to be careful, see how it develops here. If you see a harsh move to the upside, I definitely need to close my trade earlier, just to save some profits here and there. I think this is the right thing to do.
Watch the moments arise. Every single entry reflected in my eyes. Silver the trade on the chart I command. High leverage, clear vision. Across the market's land.
So Bitcoin is kinda trying to push higher. as well as Hype. It looks like we're rejecting here. We probably see a kind of V-shaped reversal here and there. So I'm close to close my trades here, because I feel like it's the right thing to do if Bitcoin is pumping here. I'm just waiting this 3-minute candle, so if we make higher highs in every candle, so I'm probably going to close my position here and look for another short or long in the next move. So guys, if you have some questions, I'm here nearly every day live for you. I'm here still in my challenge from $5 to 1 million. I'm sitting here at a $124, which is pretty nice. It's about a 25x from our initials. So in this market, it's brutal. So at the moment we're trying 2 shorts here, one time on Zcash, the other short is on Hype. I feel like the market looks like shitty, like dog shit, so I'm expecting that the market is trying to go lower here. We see a nice rejection candle here on Bitcoin, and if we continue with this candle, I can see a lot of downside potential, down to 100k something. So if Bitcoin is going down here, the hill, then I probably will see altcoins, Zcash and so on dump a lot of more. Fellow traders, thank you for your follow. Yuri developer, thank you for your follower. Yeah, I'm here every day live, and I'm at the moment doing a $5 to $1 million challenge. It's nice to have you here on board, bro. I'm nearly live, yeah, as I've been said, every day, and I'm trying to make some good content for you, some entertainment, some education stuff about trading, and I think I make a good job for you guys here. What about you? Are you a trader, or are you a developer, or what are you going to do here? I always welcome new traders or new viewers. So nice. At the moment I'm sitting here in 2 short positions. My actual position is $124. I tried to short already since this levels here. Here I tried my short first time. I didn't close my short here, unfortunately. Then I took a small L here because I had to go outside and had a meeting outside in real life, so I had to close my trade here. And now I'm trying here a new short. Market is looking like dog shit, as I've been said a few times. I don't know how long you're already watching here, but it's nice that you followed me. I've just give you a short summary of the actual market conditions here. So I'm expecting a more downside here. It of course depends all on Bitcoin, but at the moment it looks like Bitcoin is slowly pushing higher, but we already see some sell-off here in the candles here with the long top wicks. It's a typical sell-off candles. We have 2 in a row. Maybe we see another sell-off candle, and then we definitely go more down. We will see how that develops. Everything is possible. We could also go higher here. No one knows. So if we go higher here, retest, and then we could push higher. So we will see what's going on. So this is at the moment my game plan. I did a good job. Yesterday I made some good profits longing Zcash. And I feel like we're on a good road to this first milestone, which is about $500. Everything looks fine, and it's nice that you watched, or that you're also watching my stream. Every new viewer is welcome. So yeah, have some fun here. If you have some questions about crypto, about trading, about financial markets, I'm in crypto since 2017, so I nearly know everything about it. I'm every day here and yeah, analyzing the markets for you guys. I'm already up $4 here. I feel like today we can push our balance maybe up to 150, 160. I will see what's going on here, how hard we can push it. I'm trying to push and push and push. So I'm already up nearly $5 here. We're gonna make some progress here. It's kind of good, not gonna lie. Yo. Zcash is going lower, Hype is going lower. We're making some good profits. See this beautiful candles here on our Hype. That last 3 candles, we couldn't go over here. We retested this zone and then completely sold off here, the last 2 candles. I expect if we're going lower than this level here, at 511, 512, we see a harsh move to the downside. So let's wait about this, and we got this, guys.
Chart, are you live tonight in New York? Bring that candlelight. I got that trade desire. Oh, market's on fire.
Nice sell-off as I've been expected. The Zcash short is playing out like a clockwork. Beautiful here and there movements to the downside. So we still have this bottom here, so we still need to go through this level. If we go through, then we have a lot of downside here, which is completely nice. Hype is kind of pushing higher here. It all depends on Bitcoin, of course, but you know, as I've been said, we see here some more topics. Here's definitely some sell pressure going on in this space. With this sell pressure going on here in this space, I expect a more downside move here. Depends now all on this candle, how this candle closes. If this candle closes higher and we see some more upside potential, would be really bad for our positions. But if we see another rejection candle here, the potential, the probabilities that we're going more to down are much higher here. We will see it. So everything here on my channel is transparent. I'm live every day. I don't care about other guys. If you like my stream, please leave a follow. I'm like here every day and trying to be live every day. So if you want to support me, it will help me a lot to grow my channel here. So yeah.
Yeah. London Open. US Open. Let's go. Seal the trade.
Nice, we see another rejection here on hype. Let me check fast what's Bitcoin doing. Oh, Bitcoin is kind of trying to push higher, okay. Now it's completely inverse to a few hours ago where we see Bitcoin is losing levels and hype is pushing. So there's completely the inverse correlation here. We will see in 30 seconds how this candle closes. If this candle closes like this, then we could potentially see more downside. We will wait and have a look at what's going on here, guys. Which is pretty nice here at all. It's looking pretty good here. Zcash is kind of pushing higher. Unfortunately, we will see. I don't want to see this support zone holding here. At the moment, Zcash is trying to hold this zone. But we will see what's going on.
I'm not here for luck or thrills. I stack edges, sharpen skills. Charts don't lie and time don't waste, so I stay ready, seal the fate. Win or lose, I learn and grow. Trade with calm, let profits flow. It's not a gamble, this is craft. Trading smart, not chasing fuss. No FOMO, no noise in my zone. I trade my plan, I trade alone. From prop firms, starts to funded gains. One clean trade runs through my veins. Feel the trade, precision and pace. Yeah, eyes on NASDAQ, I'm locked in place. Entry sharp like a seal, all prey. Robbing pips all day. The seal don't play. Seal the trade from screen to street. One good setup, copy beat. This ain't a game. This is the wave. Join the crew. Seal the trade.
Okay, we see another red candle here. Zcash is going lower. We're now close to $6 up here on this account. Let's see how far we can go with this account here. So guys, if you have some questions, I'm here every day for you guys. If you like my stream, please leave a follow. I am trying to make good content for you guys, entertaining content and also education about crypto trading. We are here still in our challenge, guys. I see there are always new people coming here and watching for a few minutes my stream. So if you didn't follow it yet, guys, leave a follow. I will really appreciate you guys. Every follow is appreciated. And yeah, that's it for now. We are sitting again still in two shorts positions here. We're trying to grind the market lower here because it looks like we're going lower. This is how the game plan at the moment.
charts they speak in code, but I've learned to read the flow. Wait for breaks, respect the light.
I'm just checking some stuff here, guys.
Welcome to the charts, we don't guess, we execute. NASDAQ futures, baby, seal the trade. Wake up, charts lit, it's a new day. Focus locked in on the ORB play. Open range breakout, candles.
Yeah, look, nice to see you back here. It doesn't happen a lot here. We're slowly grinding lower. Also on Zcash we made like a kinda double bottom here, and now I'm looking for how the market reacts here. If we maybe can see another downside here. Everything depends on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin looks not so bullish here, so we had a lot of rejection candles here to the top side, a lot of top wicks here, and we're just still sitting in the range, and market is still really slowly at the moment, but I'm still trying to catch this push to the downside here. Yeah, this is how I'm going to plan this at the moment. I don't know, maybe it's too late to get in, I feel like. Maybe you can try to, or is it possible too late? I feel like it's too, of course I'm not doing any financial advice for you, but I feel like a market is maybe too late already. I know. Yeah, maybe we can see something like this here. If we broke this retest, and probably here is maybe a better short entry if we can get another move to the downside. But otherwise, entering here on the directly on the support zone, I think it's not that good of a trade. It can work out, it can always work out. You can flip a coin, and long or short, it can also work out, you know. But you always need to think about long term and about your risk management. Liquidity up is now non-existent. On which coin? On Zcash or on Hype? On Hype. Yeah. Wow, okay. Hype is not looking bad here. Hype is one of the strongest coins at all. If you compare it to all the other altcoins, compare it to Solana or I don't know, to Ethereum, you see it's holding pretty strong compared to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is kind of losing some levels, but Hype is still sitting at close to $40. 39.2, it's like this level here, yeah. Could go down here. one of the strongest coins in this bearish momentum zone of bearish momentum phase of Bitcoin at the moment is definitely hype. Small position, yeah, you can take a shot with good risk management. It's like it's all about taking good opportunities. This is all about trading, you know. Take a few losses here and there, but if you win big and everything is fine. It's a bit like playing poker, you know. You have always good cards, you have always bad cards. Most of the cards you fold, but only the good cards you play longer. So it's like trading. So you take your losses fast. It's like folding, like playing poker. And if you have good cards, you're playing big and get a good amount of that cake. Let's go and let's see. And we see a reversal here. Where did you enter? 39.9. You can't play poker, really? Okay, compared to trading, poker have, I feel like, worse odds. That odds are not that good on poker, but you still have an edge. But that edge is, I feel like, much lower than on crypto markets. Yeah, it's kinda gambling. Everything is kinda gamble. This is from analysis. Yeah, but poker you also have kinda odds, so you can't compare it completely with poker, but you also have probabilities on poker. Wow, you entered and the market completely goes higher. What is Bitcoin doing that hype is pumping so much? Okay, I see. Makes sense. Makes sense that hype is pumping as well. So only Zcash is going lower here. Yep, no reaction from Zcash. It's hard. Markets are hard, always hard. So it looks like we need to wait again. It looks like markets trying to get, wow, okay. Not gonna lie, this is a hard push here from Bitcoin. Not that hard, but it's a nice big candle on the 3-minute time frame. I mean, like 0.3 loss. It's okay. We will see how this market is developing here. So at the moment it looks like we're more like in a sideways phase, not gonna lie. It can happen here and there. We're more like sideways, so it's okay. We don't see this breakout to the downside. We didn't get the completely W that you talked before, so like kind of this W, maybe triple bottom here kinda. Then we see a big green candle to the upside. My liquidation is at 50. Your liquidation? What? Why you're talking about liquidation? Liquidation is about 50, so your position so low. Where did you put your stop loss? Oh, so let me check out. So we're still no stop loss. No stop loss. Why no stop loss? No stop loss. Not working. You always setting stop loss, setting stop loss up. We don't need to set it up on the charts, but for ourselves we can set it up. Because without stop loss you will lose a lot of money. Because if it went against you, you always think about, okay, at some point the market will change, it will reverse. And if it doesn't reverse, you get fucked. Now think about this market is going straight up to 50. So your position got liquidated for nothing. Yeah, here as I've been said, you need to think about where you would put your stop loss. So here in this position I would put my stop loss here. I didn't put it, but I know if the market retraces I will close. So it's like, you know, you can set it up here, but I wouldn't let it run higher. Maybe a bit. I always give it a bit more wiggle room to grow. So if I see the market could reject in this level, I would put to the next level here my stop loss. But then just close it and fuck this trade and look for the next trade. But if you always look for the reversal and it goes higher and higher, you're getting fucked. Yeah, it's okay. Just for the mindset, I feel like, you know, it's only for the mindset setting a stop loss for some people, because some people trying to hold these trades till your whole account get blown out for nothing, for just a stupid position. It's just for mindset stuff, you know. Still good, your small position, everything's fine, but only just for, yeah. When Sol went from 180 to 120, this hurts a lot. This hurts, yeah. I lost at this breakdown to $8 a lot on Soleno. This was my biggest loss here. Yo, another bot is chatting here. Nice to see you, shocking agents. And they give up from the point. Trading perps is really hard stuff. Yeah, at least leave a follow. I think it's only a bot, so he can't understand anything. Probably is also away already. But yeah, trading is a hard thing, guys. Look, yeah, you know, this is like one of the hardest things that you can ever learn or do. You can lose a lot of money, so better try to make it happen with a good strategy, and don't try to lose a lot of money. It's the first thing you have to do. It's like it was in profit for like 40k, then my net got greedy. Yeah, it can happen. Everyone can happen that you get too greedy and then fuck things up. So always bank profit. So like you also bank profit today, just withdraw it and then you're fine. It's a good thing. Bank profits. Yeah, spot is always better than trading. If you hold spot, he does crude oil, CL, futures. I also traded it a few times back in when I traded crude oil 2 years ago something. Ah, real life. Okay, okay. This is another thing. I thought he traded the crude oil futures, CL. I also traded it. Ah, real oil. Okay, this is another thing. Should be probably nice. Seems like a good business. Okay, market is trying to push higher here. Let me check what's Bitcoin doing. Like he works with governments and takes it out of the ground and sells to governments. Pretty nice, yeah, it's pretty nice business, I feel like. In oil there's a lot of money, yeah. Especially if you are in UAE, you know this stuff. All these countries are built with oil money, or most of them. So it can be really, really profitable. Yeah, pretty nice. Sounds pretty good. The second biggest industry. Yeah. Everyone needs oil at the moment here. Everyone on the earth needs oil. First is weapon, then oil. Yeah. But probably all that weapons will be bought with oil money, so I don't know, maybe oil is place one. Yeah, but I think it's a good business that will. You're very smart. I wouldn't say I'm smart. I'm just doing random stuff on the internet, playing around with magic internet money. So I'm not that smart. So what we're gonna see here, we see a push higher here on Zcash. This is bad. I can't lie. Okay. Maybe I'm too old for this stuff. ICL, I cannot lie. It's good. Okay. Good candle here. We were waiting till this candle closes. Probably if you're going higher, I don't want to risk a lot here on this trades. I will close it close to break even. So if we're still pushing higher here at these levels at about my break even, then I have to close it. Otherwise I'm looking for lower. No, I'm not that young, unfortunately, but I feel like still okay, so I'm still okay with my age.
Yeah. London Open. US Open. Let's go. Seal the trade.
Okay, Bitcoin is trying to retest this level here again. If we go over this level, so we need to care a bit. Care about our short positions. Every move calculated, click the mouse, the line gets crossed, risk defined, I know the cost, no emotion, just the plan, one
one good trade, that's who I am. Seal the trade, precision and pace. Eyes on NASDAQ, I'm locked in place. Entry sharp like a seal on prey, robbing pips all day. The seal don't play, seal the trade. No fear, no doubt. Catch that move when it breaks.
Nice rejection here on Zcash. This is a beautiful candle. If it closes like this in 28 seconds, we have potentially a nice short opportunity here. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, called shooting star. Maybe we can see here some nice candle formations. Looks really nice here if we close it like this. Okay, and close like this. Let's see if we can continue to the downside. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is holding strong here, not gonna lie. Bitcoin is trying to push higher in some way. I don't know. Probably a bit, I feel like a bit late. You see how it closes here, but we're trying to push higher here at the moment. The candle, how it closes, looks good, but we're definitely trying to push higher, especially because Bitcoin is showing some kind of a strength here. It's not moving at all. I don't know what's going on here. Is Bitcoin chart dead or what's going on? No. Okay. The candle is so slow, I even can't see it. What is this? There's nearly no movement anymore in Bitcoin. What's going on? What is this? So wild, so less volume today. How can we trade if there's no volume? Okay, now it's pushing higher. We're above, we're kind of fighting here. So less volume here. What's Zcash doing? Okay, Zcash is still sitting in this range. We probably will longer stay in this range. It looks like this. Hype as well. Hype is still on the downside of the range. There's not much volume going on here. It's really weird, yeah. It's so weird. All these movements are so weird here. There's nearly nothing going on. You're sitting here in such a small range. Look at this candles. It's like 50 points on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is over 101k. There's no movement here anymore. better got stopped out than waiting till something happens. Yeah, sure. I feel the same. Yeah. It looks like another 2 hours of waiting till something happens. Yeah. It's funny. $40.2. Oh yeah, but it's close to the market here, yeah. Really close to the market. It's your break even probably, yeah. 40.2. Close to your break even. $39.9 is your entertainment. Yeah. Entry. So you're using your phone. You're online with your phone, maybe. So you have like all this typo stuff. It's 39.9. Yeah, it's your entry. Can be. Yeah. It's good. It's not that good, of course, but I feel like there's not much going on at the moment anymore. Can't be asked to click my keyboard. It's loud. My keyboard or yours? Mine is loud as well, so probably you hear it if I'm typing. You hear my keyboard if I'm typing? Probably, yeah. Maybe I need to make some filters here, so I can. Yours is chill, so that's also a mechanical one. So it's a bit louder than normal keyboards also. In which color switch? I don't know. You're asking me some stuff. I don't know. I have like looks like gray. Don't know. Gray ones. It's like an Asian keyboard. The brand is called Gravastar. I don't know if you know this. Purple, it's more loud. Okay. I don't know much at all about keyboards. Blue is the worst one. From the loudiness or from the reaction or from what kind of the worst one? All. Okay. Is my cam already frozen again? Always my cam is freezing.
Hey, lane chart, or you live tonight in New York. I got that train desire.
The purple and gray are $100 plus. I think mine was about something about $100, but I feel like it's pretty okay. It's enough for using on normal streams and always. It's pretty okay for using in usual cases. Yeah, it's good. Don't know. It's like nice looking, you know, like kind of this one here. The fastest one. I don't know if this one is good, but still cool. Looks nice with this kind of legs here, like alien stuff, you know. It's funny. Razer Huntsman Mini sounds good. Razer is also nice. I also used it before. Some Razer mouses. At the moment I have some, I don't know, SteelSeries. I don't know if you know SteelSeries. Razer Huntsman Mini, I can search it. Razer Huntsman Mini. Oh yeah, it looks nice. This is white one, or it's also possible in black maybe. Looks like a nice keyboard, yeah. Possible in white and black. Looks nice, nice and clean. Yeah, it's a beautiful one. There are also some kind of new keyboards with like, I don't know how it's called, was it like halo effect or something? A keyboard with some specific magnetic techniques inside. Can you help while gaming or something? I hear something about this. I don't know if it's true, but I heard something about some strange keyboards. Okay, Zcash is still holding on the low. Hype is kind of pushing higher here. Zcash short is looking good. We got here a nice rejection candle, and we're trying to go lower, which is pretty nice. Bitcoin is trying to go higher here. We're just in this weird range where we're not moving at all. My prediction is still that we're going lower here, but we need to wait and see. We got stopped out on hype. Okay, you took that shot and took a small L, but it's fine. Like a small position, it's okay. Should have shorted Zcash, yeah. Hype is pretty strong, not gonna lie. Zcash is kinda trying to lose levels again here. But it's not pushing through at the moment. Yeah, it's good. It's good kind of profit here compared to my size. And I want to see it going lower here. Yeah, let's print. You mean this, but I feel like this is, I can just switch it up, but it's not like 75x my trading position here. If I have used 75x, then I would be long with 7,500 or like 10k position size. I would be long with 20 Zcash here. So it's not actually 75x. My leverage here on this position is $150, so it's nearly 1.1x or something. It's like nearly no leverage here compared to my balance. So I can switch this up here, of course. I don't know where I can see the actual leverage here. I can't. So this is not true here, this 75x. You understand? You got it? No? Maybe? True. Yeah, okay, you got it. So just the setting here, I can set it up. So I think only the important thing is really the position size compared to your balance, so you can easily see how high that leverage really is. So here's this 4 hype is like $160 something, and we have here like 150. So 160, 150. I'm up like 2.8x something. So I'm really low leveraged here, under 3x on leverage. So it's fine. But you see, you don't need much leverage here for this high volatile coins. You see Zcash here is already up $5, and $5 is, compared to my balance, it's a nice gain. It's not a lot off, but I feel like, yeah, people full leverage, full port and lose money, then say futures is a scam. Yeah, sure, it's always like this. It only matters how you use your leverage. I can use 10x leverage, but then you get stopped out a few times in a row with a lot of slippage, so it makes no sense. Better play low leverage and try to get a bigger move, in my opinion. So like yesterday, where I caught this big move on Zcash and this saved my balance, made a lot of bro, they use money. Yeah, it's stupid. Yeah, it's like, and they hold until liquidation. Yeah, because at some point, if you're already losing so much, for them it doesn't matter if they lose all, you know. So they got liquidated, like they don't care anymore. Yeah, no stop loss. I also know some traders, they're using liquidation levels for stop loss. So they're using their accounts like bankrolls. So you put like 1k or something, did 7x. That would happen to my dad, but he did 7x leverage. You see, it's a lot. If you longed Solano or all the other coins here, a week with 7x from the top, your position would have been liquidated instantly. Because the volatility is so high on crypto coins, 7x kills you. For 7x you only need 15% down, probably, maybe a bit more, then your account got liquidated. 60x, 75x. Yeah, but only on paper. My position is here 3x here. If I do 10x, 20x, it's possible. I can do it. I also did before a lot of 10x positions here and there. But then you can trade Bitcoin maybe safer than other coins. Bitcoin is kind of really strange movement, so I thought here in this areas also would be some kind of a resistance level. Only 40% of his balance in the trade. But, okay, it's like isolated. Yeah, you can play it with isolated margin. Got eaten up by going down. Oh, okay. Okay, this is bad. So like collateral was like crypto coins, and then crypto coins went down, and so his this position. It wasn't isolated, i.e. This is bad. You saw this here. I feel like this is a weird movement because you see so small candles and try slowly grinding higher without a lot of buying pressure here. And then this is what happens, a big red candle. Isolated takes from margin. Yeah, if you trade isolated, then you're not using the whole account for this liquidation. If you got liquidated with isolated, you only lose a smaller amount, not your whole balance. Future Vault, when that finishes, then margin. Yeah. So isolated is normally better to trade with. So you have much less to lose if you got liquidated. I don't know if I can use here isolated margin, but I always use cross, because if I use stop losses and take profits, it doesn't matter at all for me. I don't know if it's less risk. You can trade in both ways. I feel like you can in both ways try to minimize your risks. So you can use stop losses on cross, you can use stop losses on isolated, but on isolated you're a bit more safe because you can't lose the whole amount of your account. Okay, we still see a nice move here to the downside on Zcash. Let's see how it develops here. Let's have a look at which zones we have at the moment. We're sitting here, down here. Bro, for hype 24 hours. So we have only this spike here and this zone here. I feel like we could go lower. I feel like this is not much support zone here in these areas. I feel like it's not relevant that much at the moment. So I will just only watch that price action, what's happening. One moment, I will check it straight after the drop. We have too long. Oh wow, okay, Zcash is kind of pushing higher here. Let me check what's Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin's not doing much. So where's your CoinGlass? Let me check CoinGlass fast. So hype, not Hyperliquid, let's, where's it? Binance one, or are you watching like the Hyperliquid one? USD. Where's Binance? Here's Binance. Yeah, Binance is probably the best thing to watch because most volume. 0.8, model 2. I feel like there's like to 39.2722 there is like some kind of liquidation zone still in the market. I did not short Zcash. Yeah, because it sells off so hard, so people think, I don't know, you know, it's only straight down, you know. It doesn't look so safe if you're short here at the support zone, and can still go instantly up again. Maybe I will take some profits out here, some partials out of this market. I don't like this candle that's building here. Yeah, I think about taking half out. Money is money, sure. 4950. I will try to get 498. Half of this. I was a bit too slow here. You can long here. You can try it, but I'm trying to go a bit out here of my position. 0.0. I can only. Okay, I can only put 0.1 here. 498. And then a small position run here. I think it's a good thing. Put it here. Should be working. I think I should be still getting filled here. If not, then I will market smash. On hype there we also have a zone here at 43.77. Okay, first order got filled. Let's see if I can get the other order as well. So my system is a bit delayed here, so it should be fine. And my second is also out of the market, so I got about $5.40. And point one, I let it in the markets and let it go more down. It's okay. I think it was a good trade. And that is what point one running. And hype, I'm still in the markets. Hype is as well rejecting here. So sometimes you need to wait a bit more maybe. And me also, I also need to be more patient sometimes. So yeah, we have two zones here. We have a big yellow zone on the top, which means maybe there's some, I don't know where this zone comes from. There's still a long zone. So since yesterday there are a lot of new shorters, I feel like, in the markets.
Hey lane chart, are you live tonight in New York? Bring that candlelight, I got that trade desire.
Yeah, Zcash is a really risky coin with high volatility. Yeah, sure. One of the risky coins ever.
Tell me now, Bryce, will you break the zone? Is this the move or a trap I'm shown? This level feels much higher. Seals on fire. Sometimes it's like the market's
Let me check Zcash on Hyperliquid on CoinGlass. Zcash.
market's on fire, price on the wire, one clean trade, that's all I desire. Seal the trade, no fear, no liar, let it breathe. I'm not a buyer till it's
Oh wow, okay. This is how Zcash is looking on, let me check, 24 hours, 12 hours. I'm just checking here fast, Zcash. Wow, we took all that liquidity to the downside. So I feel like the next levels where we can get some liquidity is only to the downside. Otherwise, only we have a yellow zone on Zcash, which is at levels of 528. Let me check if I can. So it's good, I feel like. Good trade here on Zcash. Hype is probably will also work out here for me. I longed this hype trade, I think, a few minutes before I started streaming, so I don't know. No one knows if Zcash is going up or down. I'm pretty bearish on this coin. From my analysis, I'm still in the short, so I'm still thinking, or yeah, that we're going more down here to this level here maybe. I also don't know, because Zcash is a coin that is moving like crazy. Can instantly jump up here to my break-even point. So what I definitely want to do now is, I haven't set up stop loss here, okay. I would definitely put my stop loss here close to break even, just to minimize my risk. So now we will possibly see a retest here at these levels, and then the market needs to decide what's going to happen. If we trying to push higher here, or we are rejecting here again. Let me check Hype fast. Hype is still looking bearish here. 529 to the upside. Can be. 529 would be some yellow stuff here. Yeah, it would be take the first yellow points on the liquidation map here. So like 75 million of liquidations. Wow, we see nice push. So if you longed here, you're good. Nice. Good long here. Really risky one because we didn't find support, and you like long this. You entered at 503, so after that 2 candles here, so it's a bit safe here, safer here. It's good trade. It's a good trade here. Nice. So we see a retest here in this zone. It's like a big candle, not gonna lie. It looks like there's really some buying pressure here going on. Good candle here, not gonna lie. Good, well played here. It's looking good here, you long. Now we need to look for Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin. What is this going on here on Bitcoin? Really, look at this. Such an ugly market going on here. Probably going lower here, I feel like. Because we see like this kind of candle set up here with no volume. Stop loss in profit. Nice one. Market is pushing higher here. Yeah, it's okay. Did you lose? I closed, yeah. I closed 0.2 from my 0.3 Zcash. So I only have 0.1 Zcash remaining. I took some profits here, about 5 point something, $5.4 here on Zcash. So I only have a small position with 0.76 at the moment. I will close it 511, stop loss at 511 for you. Or what? What do you mean? $511. So if I close now, I have like $6. You put your 511, nice. So you're nearly same position size like me probably, or a bit higher maybe. It's okay. My account size is $70. It's okay. Still. It's enough. It's enough for making money. It's not all about the account size. It's about the percentages and your strategy. The account size is not important in trading a lot. Only the percentages on earnings are what's important. And what's also important is to make like constant money. So not only in a few trades making money. So you need to make everyday money. Of course, it's not working this way. But if you can nearly make everyday money, you can be profitable. And this is the aim of trading. being profitable in the long term. Not in a few trades, doesn't matter. Just take out, sure, bank profits. It's all about trading. You have two things, definitely. If you let it in, you can lose the whole amount. If you take a part out, you can only lose your account, but you can only lose that money that's still in your account. And these are facts. Definitely are facts. It is much better playing it like this, playing it safe, keeping it slow and make money. Yeah. This happens from time to time. Some slippage here and there. Instead of $6 profit, I got $4. Yeah, because the slippage is so high and the volume, because the liquidity on this coin is probably not that high, so you have a lot of slippage here and there. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm still in this trade here. I'm also at the moment here risk-free on this trade. It's pretty okay. So how long I'm already live? Another 2 hours already. Nice. I got some hours in this trading. It's nice. Nice that you're always here and trade with me, learn with me, make some stuff online with me. I really enjoy it and appreciate your time here. So we can sub 50 followers for sub. You don't need to sub. It's fine. It's fine if you stay with me. You don't need to pay anything here. Everything's free. But of course it would be nice if I have 50 followers or more viewers. This is kind of the aim of this challenge and of this channel here, to get more viewers on, to get more like-minded traders on, to build more traders, to make like an traders army of like-minded strong traders with constant earnings. This is the aim. Not only pushing my sure alpha group. It's a real alpha group. This is the aim. Not only pushing my channels, else educating some people and make all people profitable here. This is the aim. Of course, it's not that easy, but we're still looking for this. I'm still looking for this aim. It would be really nice to have some like-minded guys here that all can trade. I feel like it would be really nice and enjoyable. Okay, Zcash is pushing higher. It's not looking that good here. Hype is also trying to push higher, but the volume is so low here. Let me check Bitcoin really fast. Bitcoin is looking so weak, not gonna lie. If we see another candle here to the downside, probably all these altcoins here that are still red will go much lower. Also Hype probably, but we also trying to short one of the strongest altcoins ever. So Hype is just holding very strong compared to Bitcoin. We should maybe try to short other altcoins for the money. Makes more sense, like Solano, for example. Money on both sides. It's a 50-50. Yeah, but it looks weak here. We are performing so weak in this support zone here, or in this range. You will see. Minimum risk, max reward, that's how you trade. Yep. This is how I want to trade, yes. Solano is also crazy. We were over $200 only maybe 2 weeks ago. Let me check, where's Solano going. I feel like we should short another coin better than Hype, because Hype is too strong. The narrative with Hyperliquid and all the stuff is holding so well. We should definitely try to short the next day's other coins here, I feel like Solana. Solana is close to losing levels here again. So we have another 3% downside, and this can go down 3% in like one candle. Let me check Bitcoin really fast. I feel like I will try to take a shot on, oh yeah, you see this? I forecasted it. I saw this already here, that it will go more down here. I've been said it to you, you know. I saw this, how weak is this market here at the moment. And what happened? Big red candle to the downside. Oh yeah, damn. Why is it frozen? Why is my screen frozen? Now I'm back. Thanks for mentioning, bro. So yeah, as I've been said, here in this level, okay, I see like this is so weak, this market. Then I saw this candle and nothing is happening, and now we are dumping here again. Red candle, red candle, red candle, 3 red candles in a row. Let's see how this market is developing. Also, what I'm looking for is probably another short soon. Solana looks so good, Solano looks so good for shorting here. We have probably a 4% here potential on Solana. Looking so bearish here. But Bitcoin still didn't break out. Yeah, it should be probably good, but I don't know if I can stay that long on the stream because it's already late. And I would love to make this trade live on stream. But it's probably the right thing to open a short on Solana. Better than Hype. At the moment it's 1 o'clock. One o'clock for me, but I think I don't know how much hours I'm live today. Maybe 6 hours something. I think 4 hours from afternoon something, 5-6 hours, yeah, something like this. think maybe 6 hours already. Yeah. Solana will definitely dump down. I really see this going down. 24-hour stream soon, yeah. Would be funny. I'm happy to do this in the future. So I opened here a short. Small risk. What? Zcash close? It's pumping or what? Oh wow. What's going on here on Zcash? It hit it instantly my huh? Oh yeah. Oh well. Okay. Take me out. Enjoy it, Zcash. You can take me out, it's okay. If you're still in your long, you're pretty much up now. So I closed it with break even, so I lost only 5 cents on my last 0.1. It's okay, I didn't make that much profits, but I just wanna hit for the runner. Probably you can try to short now. Money up and sold to risky or to short. Can be. So this is Sol. Oh, this on 1 minute this looks bad entry, really bad entry. It's only one Sol on position size, so yeah, better don't take this trade, I feel like. Let me see. Yeah, my Zcash short, it was a bit bad, so nice to see you, Yo-Yo, but yeah, I closed my short here, but it doesn't was that short that I had opened before, so I closed it earlier, then I reopened my short, and now I got stopped out here at 5 something. I got stopped out here at 5.19 something on this crazy move to the upside, yeah. But we made some money here. Everything's looking fine. I feel like Zcash have still some more downside potential here. And yeah, it's good. I still have my... Yeah, sure, you can get mod. I don't have any mods here at the moment. And you're always watching with me. You can definitely get mod here. Yeah, I made some profits. I'm trying to open a Sol short here because market looks really bearish here and Bitcoin's not moving higher, so it probably goes more down. And I still have my high position open, so I think it's good. It's working pretty fine at the moment for today. The market is a bit slow for my trading style, so I like most of the time more volatility in the markets. But yeah, it's good. How's your day, Yo-Yo? How are you doing? Did you do also some trading today? No trades for you. No trades is most of the time better than trades. Just watch charts. It's kinda boring today, but our TA or our analysis was on point. We saw this 2 times here rejection at VWAP, and at this levels I always thought about shorting, and yeah, so it does. Everything went short. Now we're kind of holding here. We're still in this range here. going a bit up, a bit down, but more like sideways. And we will see if we can break to the downside. Then the 100k are in play for to trade. Maybe I get in a position soon. Short or long? It's kinda moving here with a lot of buying and selling pressure. So the volume is definitely yeah, going higher here. So here's definitely something going on at the moment. So someone is currently, I am bullish again. Yeah, you see this is kind of bullish here. It looks like someone will definitely try to hold this 500 level here. I don't know how long it's possible to hold this level, but it looks kind of bullish. BTC to 88k, then I will be bullish. Yeah. Yeah, at the moment, this Zcash here is still on a downtrend. We see some kind of reactions here, but I wouldn't probably long it for, maybe I don't know, maybe I'm too bearish on this coin here at the moment. I will wait here at first. I'm not taking any trades on Zcash here. So let me first check how I can make something up here with rolls, maybe rolls, mod. Can I just use yeah, can be. So we tried another failed downside move here on Bitcoin. We are holding these levels pretty strong, pushing higher in a way. Let me check what's my Solana position doing. Solana is trying to push higher, which is unfortunately because I opened. Yeah, I don't like this position that much. So let me first do this thing here for you. Copy. Yeah, I'm watching now this Solano. If Solano goes higher, I will close it. Was a bad idea to open this here. Let's see me if you can look X underscore DXB Künstler. I think you should be mod now. Congrats, you're my first mod here on my channel. Congrats, Luke. So nice. So I have a first mod, it's pretty nice. So what are we doing now? Yeah, sure, my Telegram. How I can ping that? I think you can click on it and pin it. Probably. Should be working like that. Doesn't need to. I can also pin. No worries, no worries. It doesn't need to log in on your computer. Let me check. I can just pin it. So I can probably push it here. I can do NVI. Okay. Okay, we're kind of grinding through this range now. Bitcoin is kind of trying to push higher here. It's okay, it's okay. Let's see what's Bitcoin doing. Oh wow, okay. Market is kind of rejecting here. I will close my 1570 higher. Close it. Out of Sol and Hype is also close to my break even. I will close Hype as well. So I'm now out of the markets. Slowly profit here. Slow profit for today. Only about $5, $6, $8 something. Esther, AVNTL also lost. And here I lost $1 on Sol and Hype and Cash, just a bit. Okay, it's okay. We're still sitting at $127. It's okay. Market looks like it's kind of switching here on momentum side. We see a good push from Bitcoin here at the moment, and the market is trying to go higher, but we are still in the range, so no worries. We are probably a few hours still in the range. And it's not much going on here at the moment, so we're still good. I feel like there $5 1 million join, no financial advice. Join. Nice. Thank you for your message, Luke. So I feel like market is kind of going sideways here. We see another rejection candle here from Bitcoin, but we have to see what's going on. Looking good now. Nice. Thank you. This is how we wanna play it. I closed my my shorts here already with a small loss, but we're still grinding higher. We're doing a good job today. Everything's looking good for today for our balance. We made some good calls, some good profits here and there. Today is a good day here. Just looking at some random coins here. You can still get something up. So So what we definitely see a nice push from Zcash here. Yo-Yo also said that longing is probably the right decision here. It's a nice push here. It's 4%, so the volatility on Zcash is one of the nicest here in whole crypto at the moment for trading futures. So if you can catch here something, you can make a lot of gains. It looks like a long, really. You probably see a retest fast here, maybe in this area, a retest, and then it shoots up probably to 580 if Bitcoin is leading the way to the upside. But Bitcoin is too slow for today. So it's hard to trade, not gonna lie. But we will try, we will try. Oh wow, okay. We're going a bit lower here on Zcash. So I'm probably not taking any position for today anymore. I'm already feeling a bit tired from the charts. Just looking around, and maybe we can make a high leverage short to end the stream, would be nice. Probably, yeah, can be. But I don't like it at all because Bitcoin is still so weak. We always just holding the support levels here on the downside, but on the top side, we also making lower lows here, lower highs here. So it's like lower, 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 lower. We're always making lower highs here, and we're only holding the support zone. So typically it should break out at some point, maybe to the downside. I don't know, I don't like it. Sol is pumping a bit. Yeah, so I closed my Sol somewhere here at these levels. Yeah, Sol can, if Sol is running, it can make a lot of percentages. Going a bit down. Yeah, it's going a bit down, definitely, yeah. Just autocorrect here. I shouldn't read it like it's coming. I should probably think about it, what you wanna write. But boss is okay, gonna die or gonna go down. It's everything possible, you know. That's funny. So maybe we can see another more downside here. I can't even delete the message. Yeah. I think you can if you're mod. Maybe you can delete your message. Probably, yeah. So my counter says here I have 5 viewers, but my Twitch says only 2, so I don't know. Still okay. I feel like my internet is also working relatively fine. There's some issues with camera, some issues with frozen screen, but overall it's working better, I feel like. I think it would be funny to counter trade some polls, like long and short stuff, yeah, to see what the guys are thinking, what will happen, and most of the time everyone is wrong. It's funny, yeah. I think it can be really fun. Yeah, sure, we can do stuff like this. We've also some seal coins here. I think everyone gets seal coins at the moment if he's watching. 200,000 channel point, $5. Yeah, everything's possible. I don't know if stuff like this that is allowed, but you can always bet with channel points. I think you should also have some channel points. Let me check stream elements. I think there's like 200 hours. Don't know. Let me check. Maybe you probably also have some coins already. No, I think on stream elements you have coins, or are there different coins? I think I saw something here on stream elements. Let me check fast. "20 hours, 10 minutes watching the stream." Okay, both bots are active here. Okay. Wow. Congrats. You already was here over 20 hours with me. Amazing. Let me check which comments also working here. I think you have, there's following the channel, follow age. Maybe I need to shut down one of that bots here. Yeah, here's this points. Yeah, you have some points here. What is this? Why there are two different kind of points? What stuff is going on here? You have one time 1,600 coin and one time 1,235 points. Why there are two different kind of coins here? You know why there are two different coins? It's like the spot rigs have each from different bot. Ah, okay. So the spot rigs also have points, and stream elements also provide coins. So better I close maybe one of that bots. But I don't know if I shut it down, if my chat is working anymore. Can be. Let me check where that command list on stream elements, and we can look into it, how everything is working here. You can find a list of commands. Ah, yeah, here it is. Nice. There I can see every command. I think I can also make some own commands. Yeah, you already know a lot of streaming stuff, I feel like. You also stream by your own? Why you stopped streaming? I feel like streaming can be fun. I think get over $1,000 is a long way. I think it probably takes years of streaming. Exclamation leaderboard. You're probably my first place, yeah? No? Stopped once my account get $1,000 more, then I will stream with you, no problem. Maybe some bot stuff going on here. Looks good, looks good. Account age. So let me check what's going on here on the charts. Solana is sitting in the range. Bitcoin is not moving that much here. Ranging, nothing's going on at all. Account age, I think there's also some gamble commands at Stream Elements, but I don't know if I activated it. Let me check Stream Elements. Maybe bet, or maybe I think stuff of half of the commands are not active. So Bitcoin's trying to push higher here. Definitely look for it. Let me just check some check commands here. So what's working? Exclamation. Unmove. Timers, counters. Custom commands. I just need to look everything through so we can maybe make some cool stuff here. Super moderator, moderator, exclamation command. Edit counter, timer, vanish, uptime. I've sent 1651 messages. Holy shit. This is a lot. This is amazing. A lot of messages here and there. Exclamation commands, area command, but working AC, there's commands. Second place has only 96 messages. Very nice, very nice. So we have moderator. I can't see every commands. It's okay. I need to check it after stream, what we can make up, but probably at 79. Nice. So it's looking good here. Bitcoin is trying to push higher, but we also have every time some sell-offs here. Maybe we can now big jump. Yeah, we're trying to go higher here. We're pushing. Look at Zcash. Yo-yos have been said it also before that we should long. You have also said it before that we should long, which is pretty nice here. If you long here, if you have hold your long, it would be so juicy. Such a juicy long here. Wow, it's pushing. It's really strong pushing here. Yeah, unfortunately it stopped you out. But market is so strong, I really like it. Zcash is so strong here at these levels. Here everything looks like it's dumping and going lower. But here, look how strong it is. People kinda pushing it from $500 up. Yeah, can happen. But it's pushing further and further here. It's already, where you try to enter here, somewhere here, 503 or something, yeah. 504, I think, or 503. Somewhere here, I think, no? 500 something. Would be up over 10%, 11%. 11%, oh yo. Only at 3x, it's like 30% gain on your account. Yeah, this candle killed you here, yeah, this red one here. Unfortunately, only this candle. Otherwise, you would be in nice profit. Yeah, it happens. This is how trading works sometimes. No worries, we will find the next trade to make money, to bank some profits. But now I know how to trade. It's just I sell wrong time. Yeah, it happens everyone, but better take profits out. Sometimes say it's better take the trade longer. It's like too late or too early. Yeah. Wow, we're pushing really strong here. It's nice. Nice push on Zcash here. Unfortunately, I'm not in any trade anymore. I would love to catch this Zcash at some point. Here, look at this. I talked about this. Maybe we see a Zcash, then we see a retest here on my blue line, and then we're going higher. It was like textbook shit here, really. And we just went up higher. I could have caught this here. Unfortunately, I didn't trade it properly, so it's okay. Yeah, Bitcoin is not going higher, so Aster's going lower. No, it's also pumping here. Did I try to short Aster somewhere in this? Oh, yeah, this here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, chat, I call it a day. I'm already really tired. I feel like we had a nice stream for today with some nice action. Unfortunately, the volume was not that high here for today, but we still had a good time on the stream and some small profits here and there. It's still okay. Thank you for watching, chat. Thank you, Luke, for having a good time with me here. I will be back tomorrow, guys. Maybe only a short session on a Sunday. It depends how that market is evolving and how that market is developing here. So thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good night and see you tomorrow. Peace.